You gotta say watch this before you start.
Relaxing.
She's stuck.
Sammy, come here.
You did pretty far for a Jeep.
I think you said that was a Toyota, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't drive one of those either.
No, that's jeeping. You gotta get out and get unstuck.
Move shit out of the way.
Oh, the sprinkler. That's a good idea.
Alright, get it done. Come here. You want to put your seatbelt on.
Hey, you made it.
Flexing.
Oh God.
Yeah.
The brakes don't work on it wrong.
Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Well, back on him. You can do it. You can do it. Reverse. Hammer down. Lean into it. That's it. Skinny pedal. Jeeping.
Fuck Facebook, that's going on YouTube.
That's YouTube worthy for sure. She wants in.
Yeah, that's my
She's
girl.
like, give me in. I want to ride that.
Responsible